In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 ways to avoid taxes legally. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. There are a number of tax credits and deductions that might lawfully lower the amount of money you'll owe to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. If you don't know what deductions and credits you qualify for, you're essentially throwing money away. 1. Qualify for tax credits. Tax credits are often mistaken for free money, which is a common misunderstanding. You may minimize the amount of taxable income you can claim by taking tax deductions and tax credits, which can result in a tax refund in many situations. From purchasing energy-efficient appliances for your home to paying health insurance premiums to living in a low or moderate-income family are just some of the many tax credits offered by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. To get the most out of these credits, you need to go through all of your purchases from the previous year and determine whether you're entitled any money. 2. Take itemized deductions. When it comes to taxes, most individuals choose the standard deduction because they don't want to keep track of every single transaction they made over the course of the year. In addition, itemized deductions often don't exceed the standard deduction in the aggregate. It may be worth it if you've paid a lot in mortgage interest, property taxes, medical bills, local and state taxes, or big charity donations. Your taxable income is reduced by the amount of these tax deductions, which are deducted from your taxable income. So you could be out of luck if you're looking for ways to avoid paying property taxes or school taxes. These expenses may not only reduce your income, but they may also allow you to avoid paying more taxes. 3. Enroll in college. Taking advantage of tax deductions and credits is one approach to get a college education. If you want to go back to school, the government now provides tax credits and deductions. You typically have to pick one or the other to do so. Education tax credits may be taken advantage of by students. The first is the American Opportunity Tax Credit, which provides up to $2,500 off the cost of tuition, fees, and course materials for qualifying students throughout the taxable year. The Lifetime Learning Credit, which may save you up to $2,000 on tuition, fees, and course materials, is another option. Each year, you are limited to one credit claim. 4. Use your side hustle to claim business deductions. SWAR encourages those who are self-employed, full or part-time, to develop side businesses so they may take advantage of several tax benefits. So, whether you work as a rideshare driver or freelancer, you may save a lot of money on your taxes. Business-related car miles, shipping, advertising, website fees and proportion of home internet rates used for company, professional magazines, dues, memberships and other expenditures needed to manage your business are just a few of the deductions available. It is possible to deduct the premiums you pay for health, dental, or long-term care insurance that you purchase yourself. 5. Claim a home office deduction. Don't be scared to claim the home office deduction if you work for yourself or have a side company. The area must be utilized on a regular basis and only for business activities in order to be eligible for the deduction. A home office that takes up 1/5 of your apartment's total living area, for example, is eligible for a 1/5 reduction in rent and utilities costs. 6. Rent out your home for business meetings. The Augusta Rule, sometimes known as the Augusta Exemption or the 14-day rule, allows homeowners to rent out space in their homes for a period of up to 14 days without being required to disclose the revenue to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. The only restriction is that the owner's principal place of business can't be in the residence itself. Tax breaks may be available in this manner for proprietors of businesses that do not operate out of their homes. They are able to rent out a room in their home for use as a business meeting. Deduct the cost of the renting from the taxes that they pay for their company, and then avoid having to declare the rental costs on their individual tax return. 7. See if you qualify for an earned income tax credit. You may be eligible for a tax return from the federal government even if you are exempt from having to pay federal income taxes. A refundable tax credit of up to $6,728 is available to taxpayers who qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit for the tax year 2021. The EITC is determined using a formula that takes into account both the applicant's income and the number of people in their household. The maximum amount of income that may be earned and still qualify for the credit ranges from $21,430 for taxpayers who are single and do not have any children to $57,414 for married couples who file their taxes jointly and have 3 or more children. 8. Itemized state sales tax. On their schedule of form, taxpayers who itemize their deductions have the option of include either their state income tax or their state sales tax. If you reside in a state that does not impose an income tax, taking advantage of the state sales tax rebate is a fantastic alternative. Taxpayers may simply claim their sales tax deduction by using a table that is given by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. However, consumers should remember to put on the sales tax from any significant purchase such as a vehicle or boat. 9. Deduct private mortgage insurance premiums. If you own less than 20% of your property outright, the likelihood is that you are required to pay for private mortgage insurance. Lenders insist on having this protection in place as a hedge against the possibility that you may default on your payments to them. 10. Adjust your basis for capital gains tax. If you're selling a financial asset, be sure to include any reinvested dividends in your cost basis. That raises the cost of the investment and lowers your profit when you sell it. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.